In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into multiple email Asana accounts. If you use Asana across different organizations or clients, you might have more than one email address. The easiest way to manage everything without logging in and out is to add those emails to a single Asana account. That way, you can sign in with either address and switch workspaces seamlessly. Start by opening Asana on your computer. Look to the top right corner and click your profile photo. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a window with several tabs. Depending on your version of Asana, you're looking for either the Email Forwarding tab or the Account tab. Both areas will let you add another email to your account, so pick the one you see. Inside that tab, find and click the option labeled Add New Email. A field will appear for you to enter your second email address. Type it carefully and make sure it's an inbox you can access right now, because Asana will send a verification message to confirm it's really you. After submitting, head over to that inbox. If you don't see the message within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check your spam or promotions folders just in case. When the email arrives, open it and click the verification link. This step is essential. Without verification, Asana won't connect the email to your account. Once you confirm, both emails are now associated with one Asana account. Practically, this means you can log in using either address and access all the workspaces that belong to you. It also makes collaboration easier if you're part of multiple organizations, since you won't have to juggle separate accounts. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the email you're adding is already linked to another Asana account, you may be prompted to consolidate. Follow the on-screen guidance if that happens. Also, keep an eye on your notification preferences later, since adding another email may change where certain alerts are delivered, and you'll want messages going to the inbox you check most. Finally, remember that you can always return to the same settings area to review or manage your connected email addresses. That's it. Click your profile photo, open settings, go to email forwarding or account, add the new email, and verify it from your inbox. After that, enjoy logging in with either address and switching between workspaces without the hassle. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Asana.